Good morning. Josh Denbo, consumer attorney. I wanted to talk today about something that comes up all the time in my practice that people see and contact me about, and that's judgments for credit card, car loan, any kind of debt like that shows up by someone trying to seize your bank account and you didn't know anything about the lawsuit against you. It happens a lot. And what you need to understand is the debt collector isn't allowed to do that. I don't care what state you're in, because in the United States, there's a constitution, and the constitution requires that you be given due process of lawsuits against you. Now, I'm not saying that the Capital One card that's suing you from a debt from 8 years ago wasn't at some point entitled to get paid. Now, this is not a dispute as to whether or not the credit card is valid, and it might not be. This might be a case of mistaken identity. It might be the wrong amount, might be the wrong, whatever. There could be all kinds of other defenses. But what I'm talking about is you show up you go to your bank account and the bank account's frozen. And you're like, what the heck happened? Because you weren't served. And the reason why that happens is because the debt collecting companies, they operate on such mass volume, they don't care. They don't care. Their attorneys don't care. It's absolutely bonkers. But you have to be on notice. But because they do things in such volume, sorry, it's still a little bright out in this gorgeous post-rainy day. The reason why this happens is they do things on such volume that they end up serving by mail, and people move. People move, and sometimes they get addresses wrong, not from moving or anything else. And people just get things wrong. Here's the thing. If you had a judgment against you on something you weren't on notice about, you need to attack that judgment. And there's two reasons you need to attack that judgment. One is obvious. One is, hey, where's my money? What the heck happened? You can't just clean out my bank account like that. I want my money back. That's one. Two, it's a violation of federal law to go ahead and file suit against somebody at the wrong address and seize their money with no notice. It's a violation of the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act. And you're going to be able to find a lawyer out there in whatever state you're in to take that case. All right? So, pro tip, it happens a lot. I hope it doesn't happen to you, but it's going to happen to some of my readers. It just is. All right? Everybody, be well. Good day.